Okay guys, it's a funny day today. So, he's gay. She's also doing something. Just like me. We're YouTubers. Okay.
Let's go!
Because this
We are
is a pile.
Sam. He looks like
That is a pile. And this is an animal.
Look, we have
With a
Saber.
slide.
Slide!
Slide! We should get
Wait.
the... Okay. So, 3, 2, 1. Look at my eye. Okay. Now this is the slide. Just kidding. It's the slide of fun. Look.
Hello, Saber Sam.
Hello, Slabby Slam.
Account ko, Tormis28. Tormis28.
But this is my account.
This is my alt account.
This is my account.
Guys, age reveal. I am 8 years old. I'm 7.
This is the age reveal of mine.
We're gonna do something.
And we're gonna do such things. Just kidding. We're gonna do crazy things. Like this.
Crush, bro? Who is your crush, bro? Who's your crush? Open yung mic mo
It's still on grade 2.
Okay, who you love?
Abogado.
Ano?
Abogado.
Abogado?
Ah,
Abogado? Ano yun?
classmate ko.
Okay.
Classmate ko sa kakay.
Sino aso mo? Ay,
Cooper at Batchoy. Kabatchoy.
abay. Guys, 1 hour is this video, 1 hour.
This is gonna be for...
This is gonna be fun!
This is gonna be 8 minutes. So, hey, this cat is playing to the pile. Hey. Look. Oh my God! It's you.
My sleeper!
My sleeper! Oh my God! Oh my God! What happened?
Wait, guys.
Let me just dig. Dig hole.
Hello.
I'm a dig hole. I don't mean to do that. I don't mean to say that. I think it will be gonna be 5 minutes now.
Guys, you know why?
Let me just
So long then posting
think.
videos. I was in grade 3. I haven't posted anything. I forgot. And this dude, she has 0 subscribers.
Well, I have 50 subscribers.
50?
Yes.
Guys, can you like and subscribe? I only have 10 subscribers.
Please, can you give me subscribers, please, when I post this?
Oh,
Or I'm gonna post it right now. So please, like. What? Oh my God! Look at that!
I need it.
Oh my God, a dig hole. Oh my God, there's a dig hole.
Again. guys, I need to
Look,
pee.
I make a dig hole.
I need to pee. Goodbye.
Okay.
Oy, basta siya, madidate ang want mo. Go.
I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Because this is a funny day of me doing this. I'm done.